Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel with Cooking with I Am Cassie. I know I haven't did a cooking video in so long, but without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So first thing first, you guys know I always clean my chicken and that will never change. Here I am putting vinegar, salt, and cleaning the chicken with lime. Cleaning my last chicken wing, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that water that well, not even water but vinegar that I was using to clean the chicken with, and basically rinse these babies out. Rinsing my last chicken wing, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw out that excess water that's in that bowl because we don't need that, and we're gonna go ahead and season these babies up. If you don't know by now, you know I always use Epsi, so this is what I'm using. This is like some, Haitian herbs mixed and blending or whatever or whatnot, but you need to get into this if you don't already have it. Because we are making sauce chicken wings, you are going to need tomato paste. This is optional, but I like to put this on my chicken. This basically gives it some more flavor and coloring also. Next I'll be adding is my garlic salt to basically substitute from the actual salt. You can never go wrong with adobo, and it is all-purpose seasoning, so go ahead and sprinkle that on them chicken. Last and least, I'll be adding some seasoned salt. As you guys can see, it says less sodium on it, so come on guys, we gotta, yeah, we love flavor, but we gotta watch what kind of type of season we put into our food also. This is my favorite part, is when I get to mix all of the dry seasons and wet season that I actually put into the chicken, and just basically get to see how type of a magical, type of color, seasoning, flavor, whatever, smell, just smells so good. What? That's what you call and mix in very well. Like I put in love into that baby. So in a nice pot that you are comfortable using, go ahead and add in some oil. As you see, I didn't add too much oil because chicken already produced their own oil because they got their own fat. So that's why you won't be needing too much oil for this. Now that moment where everybody been waiting to put the chicken into the pot, make sure your pot is actually hot. Don't put it on high, but put it like a high medium or medium high. But I prefer medium high. And you could do exactly all that I'm doing right now in the video, but go ahead and put all of the chicken in there and let it even. You see, I'm just basically showing you that using them excess seasoning from that bowl, I'm just mixing with a little bit of water and putting it right in there and making the chicken basically cook with just minimum of to no water, you know. So our meat have been cooking for a good, probably I'll say 20 to 25 or even 30 minutes the most. And basically I'm just moving them to basically flip them around so underneath is not burnt at all. Before I go ahead and add in my full cups of water. So once you see that the sauce on the bottom or the water is coming a little thick, like the chicken look like it is kind of cooked, go ahead and you could add in your water. Don't add too much water, but add just enough amount of water, but you'll see in just a few. Now that you're adding your water, go ahead and mix in the chicken into the water. So you're moving all them flavors that you put into that chicken, all that dedication, all that work and that love and everything that you done put into this chicken. Go ahead and mix it around so that flavor is all up and through that water. So that water boiling through them chicken. So when you bite into that chicken, you taste it heaven. So now at this moment you could go ahead and make that chicken do what it do. Let it cook. When you let it cook, put it on low, medium, or just medium. So you're not overcooking, but you're not undercooking. So that's why I said put it low, medium, but most likely put it like medium. And yeah. So it's been a couple of minutes, or I think to an hour. This is how my chicken is basically looking. It's almost done cooking. I did went ahead and add a few, just a cup of water. I think 1 or 2 cups of water, because I did have my stove on high heat, so it ended up cooking the water faster than the chicken. Just like I was telling you guys before, that's why I say keep it on medium. But knowing me, you know, don't mind me, don't follow me, do what I just say. That's it. Once again, go ahead and let your meat cook. Let it cook for another good probably 2 hours or even less. It probably is even less because chicken wings don't take that long to cook. I'm probably over exaggerating, but I'm pretty sure for those who know when a chicken is done cooking, and for those of you who don't know, cooking for a good, I'll say cooking for a good probably hour and a half. That should be good. So if your meat looks like this and your water looks like this, it's okay, but basically it is done cooking. Basically you are done. You can go ahead and add in all the vegetables that you want. If you do want to add vegetable, what I like to add into my chicken, my preference are green and red bell pepper, also with onions, and that'll be about it. Now you can go ahead and leave the vegetables into your pot just like how it is showing on the screen, or you can do what I'm about to do right now and basically move them around just so they're not too hard but not too soft. So this is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something. I hope I basically taught you guys how to do a new dish. This will be kind of like a Haitian dish, but it could also be another ethnicity dish. But I did it the Haitian way. So without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Later.